Okay. Put my test weights here. They're all here. Okay. This and this. First one on. So that's on. And then we'll put the hook on this side. The hook, of course, is there. It's for the weights. That's it. That's where's the pendulum? Right. So that's one side, and now we'll put it on this side. So I'll go one more. That, and then we'll put the hook. Ni idea, vale. And then we'll put the other one. Wait. I'll just put, it's pendulum, but that will do, just to test it. of course, just to make sure it's level. It looks like it's level, but just in case of the one. Okay. Now obviously the times will be out, but we'll see. So this is gonna be adjusted. Just want to make sure that everything works. So okay. That's for half an hour. So that's what has to be done now. That's half an hour. So that's 2 o'clock. Now, let's see. One, 2, 3 o'clock. So we undo this and just bring it up to 3 o'clock. Like that. Try again. So that's at half. One, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. Only the little birdie has to be adjusted from the back. Everything else is done. I'm happy with that. Thanks for watching. Thanks very much. I'll see you soon.